Today in my latest and new video, I will tell you about parts of speech in just 5 minutes. I know you already have learned it, but if we learn it interestingly, so we will remember it forever and we can speak English fluently and easily. Do you notice? I got all the types of parts of speech in a welcome conversation. Yes, let's see how I covered all the types of parts of speech in my welcome conversation. What I had just spoken. These, this is the my welcome conversation in which there are types of parts of speech and the highlighted words are the types of parts of speech. You can let us match color and analyze some words from above sentences. KKB concepts and English is noun. You, my, I, it, and we are pronoun. Latest and new are adjective. Tell and speak are verb. Interestingly, fluently, and easily are adverb. To and in are preposition. And, then, and but are conjunction. And hey and yes are interjection. Now you can see the trick to remember all types of parts of speech. You can see in the picture there is a pani or water and there is a PVC pipe. There is written pani PVC. So you can match the words and know the types of parts of speech. P means pronoun, A means adjective, A means adverb, N means noun, I means interjection, P means preposition, V means verb, and C means conjunction. These words are the trick in Hindi, and now you can see a trick in English. You can see in the picture the people are vacating at amazing and interesting city or national park. You can match the first alphabet of the words or the underlined words of the word, underline alphabet of the words, and match the types of parts of speech. P means pronoun, V means verb, A means adjective, and so on. Definition of parts of speech. Parts of speech are the building blocks of the language. You can see in this picture, house are also made up of blocks. It helps to speak in English easily. Types of parts of speech. We have noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun. Noun is the name given to a thing, person, place, or animal. For example, India, Earth, horse, and Mahatma Gandhi. You can see in the picture. Pronoun. Pronoun is the word that comes in the place of noun. For example, I, he, they, and you. You can see in the picture there are some more pronouns. I have an example. There is written, my best friend is Vidit. Vidit it is in my school. Vidit is very intelligent. Instead of in every sentence, instead of Vidit, we can use my best friend is Vidit. He is in my school. He is very intelligent. Adjective. Adjective is the word that describes a noun. For example, red, thin, tall, and clean. You can see in the pictures. Verb. Verb is the word that tells about the action of the noun. For example, run, write, play, and swimming. You can see in the pictures. Adverb. Adverb is the word that describes the verb. Like for example, fastly, loudly, and rudely. You can see in the picture. In adverb, some most of the letters in the last there is L and Y. Preposition. Preposition is the word that tells the place or position of a noun. For example, in, on, over, and behind. There are some more pictures of preposition. Conjunction. Conjunction is the word which joins two sentences. For example, and, but, and because. Conjunction is like a glue because glue joins two things and conjunction joins two sentences. Interjection. Interjections are the words that express feelings. For example, hey, yes, wow. You can see some pictures and there are some more interjection. Summary. There are 8 types of parts of speech. Noun is the name given to a thing, person, place or animal. Pronoun is the word that comes in the place of noun. Adjective is the word that describes a noun. Verb is the word that tells about the action of the noun. Adverb is the word that describes the verb. Preposition is the word that tells the place or position of a noun. Conjunction is the word which joins two sentences. Interjections are the words that express feelings. If you think my video is useful, so you can share and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion, so you can write in the comment. And if you want to tell me to make a video on a topic, so please write in the comment. I will make a video on that topic. Thank you.